Okay, we're back with AC Evo. I've had a mess around. I've changed the display settings, so I'm now running a much smaller display, so it's not having to push so many pixels around. I've managed to get quite a few more frames per second. I am now looking at a much smaller screen in front of me on my 42-inch TV. I'm now looking at probably a 27-inch square. But anyway, I've got the frames per second. Let's give it a go. Let's have a race. Let's see if it's any good. Now I can actually use it. I mean, the frames sort of go up and down, but it's just nice to give it a go after really essentially not being able to drive it originally. So these cars are set at 90%, so I'm hoping I'll be able to keep up. I've tried. When I was doing the recording, I sort of recorded once and then went off and smashed it to pieces, so I have done sort of one lap. I'm hoping to do a few more, see if we can get up the inside, see what the racing's like. I mean, the graphics don't look too bad now, I have to say. I mean, this is the lowest graphics setting, which is not too dissimilar to how I run it on iRacing, I guess. I don't have it sort of set particularly high, but this looks all right. For me, it's just about what the racing's like. You know, if this has a good online, you know, good ranked racing with lots of people on it, then it could do well. But if it's like ACC, which really you had to be in a league if you wanted to have any fun, I always found, then we'll see, won't we? So I've got no mirrors. I've had to turn those off. I haven't got the processing power for mirrors, obviously. Tyres are getting warmer. Pretty quickly, they're in the green. Not sure what gears I need to be in. I do when I'm normally driving, but this is all a bit different. See if we can catch them up. I'm probably coming down one gear too many, I think, here. Force feedback feels pretty good. It's not as slidey as iRacing is when on lap 1 with the Mazda. It's usually pretty poor, I find. Let's leave it in. Hey, there we go. Okay, maybe letting go in the wheel wasn't the right way to do that, but anyway. Okay. Let's get going. Okay, we're at the back. Not so good. Let's do a lap with no one in front of me, and then I can just give a view as to what the handling's like. So I'm still getting decent frames now, so this is a lot better. It's just, yeah, the graphics are pretty blocky, I guess you'd say, and I am looking at quite a small screen, so this is not ideal, but at least I can use it and give a view. It's just a shame it clearly I'm going to have to get a new PC. I can't upgrade this one. It's a Dell pre-built, and I only bought it because I bought it when you couldn't get graphics cards. It was the only way to actually get one. I moved from an Xbox. So now I think I need to save my pennies and start again. Get one I build myself. I look forward to doing that. But for now I'm pretty much stuck with this. Probably keep hold of it and just use it for editing videos and things, but I don't know what a good lap is around here. Let's see if we can catch somebody. Now I can concentrate. So I can see them in the distance. Just a little bit slidey. I'm not sure if I need to come down the gear there. So the force feedback feels different to how I've got it on iRacing, but I've done no sort of setup or anything with it. I just ran it with whatever the recommended settings were. I'll see if we can catch up and overtake anyone. I'm not sure where the lap times come up. On the top right by the looks of it. Yeah, nearly went off there again. So what's this lap then? 1:43. I don't know what a good lap is. I don't know what the rest are doing. Hey! Okay. I need some practice. Anyway, at least I can drive it now. Not ideal. But I've managed to get it going. So let's see, and hopefully they'll improve it as they come out of early access and get it going properly. Okay, well, hopefully you enjoyed that. Better than the last video anyway. And maybe I'll see you next time at the track.